Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's now break down the key obstacles in sustaining performance of bill to cost in a contact center. Key obstacles in sustaining bill to cost performance: wage inflation and labor market pressure. One of the biggest challenges to sustaining a healthy bill to cost ratio is wage inflation and labor market pressure. Rising wages in offshore and nearshore markets, such as India, the Philippines, Latin America, and Eastern Europe, can quickly drive up delivery costs. Additional factors like higher employee benefits, mandatory minimum wage reforms, or union-driven wage demands further increase the cost per full-time equivalent. If bill rates remain fixed, these rising costs directly shrink margins, pushing the bill-to-cost ratio down and eroding profitability. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: high attrition and training costs. Another major obstacle to sustaining bill-to-cost performance is high attrition and the associated training expense. Frequent agent turnover leads to repeated cycles of hiring, onboarding, and training, all of which increase operational costs. High attrition also disrupts productivity, driving up the cost per productive hour and placing additional pressure on delivery teams. In industries where annual attrition rates reach 30 to 40%, it becomes extremely difficult to maintain healthy bill-to-cost ratios without strong retention and engagement strategies. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: SLA penalties and performance deductions. SLA penalties and performance deductions can significantly weaken the bill-to-cost ratio. When service levels drop, average handle time targets are breached, or abandon rates spike, vendors may face billing penalties or revenue deductions. Even if operational costs remain stable, the revenue side of the ratio shrinks, directly lowering the bill-to-cost performance and compressing margins. Strong SLA adherence and real-time performance management are critical to protecting the numerator and sustaining profitability. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: client renegotiations and pricing pressure. Client renegotiations and pricing pressure are common challenges that directly affect the bill-to-cost ratio. During contract renewals, clients often push for rate cuts, citing market competition, automation gains, or volume leverage. At the same time, when clients shift volume to other vendors or in-source operations, billable revenue declines, even if costs remain constant. This creates a squeeze on margins, pricing moves downward while costs continue to rise. Maintaining a healthy bill-to-cost ratio becomes significantly harder in this environment. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: shrinkage and low utilization. Shrinkage and low utilization can quietly but significantly erode bill-to-cost performance. High shrinkage, from breaks, absenteeism, or extended training time, reduces the number of billable hours, driving up the effective cost per productive hour. Underutilized staff caused by idle time or poor forecasting further inflates delivery costs and weakens operational efficiency. This creates a direct hit on the cost denominator of the bill-to-cost ratio, making profitability harder to sustain even when bill rates remain stable. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: rising overheads and technology costs. Rising overhead and technology costs are another major challenge to maintaining a healthy bill-to-cost ratio. Licensing fees for critical platforms like CRM systems, workforce management tools, CPaaS solutions, and AI technologies continue to increase year over year. Compliance and security expenses tied to standards like PCI DSS, GDPR, and HIPAA are also climbing steadily, adding more pressure on operating margins. On top of that, fluctuating facilities and energy costs create additional unpredictability in the cost base, making financial planning more complex. These rising overheads directly inflate the cost denominator, tightening margins even when bill rates remain unchanged. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: regulatory and compliance burden. Regulatory and compliance requirements can significantly increase the cost of delivery, making it harder to sustain a healthy bill-to-cost ratio. New labor laws, data residency rules, or sudden regulatory changes can introduce additional compliance costs and operational complexities. For example, stricter KYC requirements, enhanced data encryption standards, or expanded audit mandates in regulated industries like finance and healthcare can substantially increase overhead. These compliance burdens not only inflate costs but can also reduce agility in pricing and operations, making margin protection more challenging. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: currency and market volatility. Currency and market volatility can create significant financial uncertainty for offshore BPO operations. Many vendors bill clients in US dollars or British pounds but pay wages and operating expenses in their local currency. This exposes them to foreign exchange risks. Currency depreciation can reduce their competitive advantage, while unfavorable exchange rate movements can quickly erode margins. Without proper hedging or pricing strategies, these fluctuations make it difficult to maintain a stable and healthy bill-to-cost ratio. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: over-reliance on few clients. Over-reliance on a small number of clients is a major structural risk to maintaining a healthy bill-to-cost ratio. If a few major clients demand pricing concessions or reduce their volumes, overall profitability can collapse almost overnight. When the client portfolio isn't well diversified, the financial impact of these changes is magnified, making it harder to absorb shocks and protect margins. A balanced client mix is essential to maintain stability, reduce dependency, and safeguard bill-to-cost performance over time. Key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance: over-automation impact. While automation is a powerful lever for lowering delivery costs, it can also create unintended revenue risks. In contracts priced per contact or per minute, heavy automation can reduce billable volume. This means even though the cost base improves, the top-line revenue may shrink. Unless pricing models are adapted, for example, shifting to outcome-based or value-based pricing, automation gains can paradoxically weaken the bill-to-cost ratio. Striking the right balance between cost efficiency and revenue protection is critical to sustaining profitability. Summary: key obstacles in sustaining bill-to-cost performance. Sustaining bill-to-cost performance is challenging because multiple pressures converge from different directions. On the cost side, rising wages, high attrition, compliance costs, and overheads steadily push expenses upward. On the revenue side, pricing cuts, SLA penalties, and automation-driven renegotiations can reduce billable income. Market risks like currency volatility and overdependence on a few major clients make financial stability even harder to maintain. The biggest obstacle is maintaining a healthy margin balance when costs trend upward but clients keep pushing revenue downward. Overcoming this challenge requires continuous cost optimization, innovative pricing models, and smart client portfolio diversification. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.